Hey y'all, today I wanted to show y'all how to make a magic ring when you're crocheting. Now I am new to crocheting. I've only been crocheting for about a year and a half. But this is actually very simple once you get the hang of it. So all you're going to do is just take your string, your yarn, and you're going to take the loose end and put it over your two fingers like this. Then you're going to wrap your working yarn, which is the piece that goes to the skein, and you're going to wrap it over those, under the two fingers, and then over, and kind of put like a little X on top of your fingers and hold it, the rest of it, with your ring finger. Then you're going to take your hook, okay, and you're just going to go up that first loop, grab the back loop, pull it through, then you're going to go up, yarn over, and pull it through to make your first stitch. And that's it. And then there's your magic ring. And then you can work inside your magic ring. Okay, I will show that to you one more time. Take your yarn, lay it over your two fingers with the tail on the inside facing your pinky. Take your working yarn, wrap it over the two fingers, underneath, pull it over, secure it with your ring finger. Okay, where you have, like, see a little X on the back. Take your hook, go up under the first loop, then grab the back loop, pull it under, go around, yarn over, and then pull it through for your first stitch. And that is your magic ring. And then you can continue working inside your magic ring with whatever project you're making. And that's it. Thank y'all so much for watching. I hope this helps. Let me know if you have any questions. Don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you again.